Hi everyone, are you also tensed about the pigmentation and the black spot on your face? Rather be it any kind of the spot, maybe it's a pimple mark or pigmentation issues, then you can use this Brillante Intense Face Brightening Serum. The brand is Regalias and I have got it from Amazon. Okay, and this is for most important dermatologist proven, so there is no side effect for it. You can use it for any skin type. If you have dry oily combination, that does not matter, you can use it. This is completely safe and completely paraben free, sulfate free and color preservative. There's no single color preservative here, so you can use it. And the only thing is it is little slow in process, so maybe you will need 2 to 3 tube of it to completely give you that perfect result the way you want it. But believe me, this is best for any kind of the pigmentation and the black spot if you have. Okay, because I am suggesting it for all the the pigmented problem, the people who have the hyperpigmentation problem, like whose melanin level goes high and they can see the black color pigmentation all over the face. Then this is best for them. I'll tell you about how it looks and all. Its retail is around 500, which is not that much of costly, and the quantity is 50 ml. So I believe 2 to 3 months you can use it, but you have to use it regularly. And after using it, the 2 tubes, then you can see the result. Even after 1 week, you can see the result in some faces. What happened now? In each and every faces, every cream does not give the same result. Okay, maybe in some face or in some skin it gives you the fastest result, maybe in some skin it will give you a little gradual, a slow result, maybe you can see. But no need to worry, this is completely safe, so you can use it, because this has been suggested by one of the doctor. I had just recently been to doctor. I had little bit pigmentation problem on my hand and on my neck, so like he has suggested me, so thought of sharing this with all of you, so that the girls who are keep on asking me for the pigmentation problem, then they can use it completely. Okay, so let me just show it to you like how it looks. It comes like this. Okay, and it comes like this in a bottle, very slim and sleek bottle, and it has a tube system like this. So I'm just using it for the first time. So it has a white creamy texture. Okay, kind of gel form of texture, which is very thin creamy in texture, like thin and watery form, more of gel form. So I just loved it because I have a little dry, normal to dry skin, so this is best for me. And also this is suitable and resistant for all the people who has oily skin and combination skin as well. The fragrance is little soothing and kind of not that much harsh, because I don't like the fragrance like harsh fragrance thing. Soothing and normal fragrance it has. Now let me just see like how it gives the result, because it has been suggested by doctor, so I trust this, completely trust this. And it has 2 to 3 main pointers. It decreases dark spots and lightens the skin shade, faster absorption and deeper penetration, highly concentrated, quicker acting formula. Okay, let me just go through the review here, few reviews, and then we will discuss on it. So these are few reviews, you can go through it. Here are few questions that the customer has been asked, and these are the answers. And the reviews are, you can see like here 3.8 it has got out of 5 the global rating. And here the reviews, like people has given their own opinion about this product, like how it suits them or not. Few people has given this good rating and few people has given bad rating to it. Like depends, like as I have told you, like different skin texture that needs different solution. One cream does not necessarily serve all the purposes to every skin type. So these are a few reviews. I hope this is really helpful for you guys. And if you're thinking to buy this, then this is little slow in process, but definitely it really works. So it will really give you that perfect the result that you want, like all your pigmented skin, all your black spots and everything, it will remove definitely. So I just thought of sharing my honest review and feedback with all of you. So I did it. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.